excited to announce that we are now able to tune your Nissan Z cars, including the 350Z and the 370Z. Hey, it's Patrick from Possum Bourne Motorsport, and today we're going to talk about Herman's 350Z, which is coming for a PBMS tune package. Herman's 2006 350Z is equipped with the VQ35DE engine, and it has already been modified, which includes the intake. It has an injected engine cold air intake and an NVIDIA catback exhaust. After this, we have opted to tune the car to get the most gains and make the car run reliably with these modifications. The next step, if you're still looking for more power, would be to upgrade the headers or go all out with a supercharger or turbocharger kit. This car here has a naturally aspirated engine, so the power gains we will see through a tuning procedure is not quite as high as compared to a turbocharged vehicle, because we are not able to increase the boost in any way. We can just optimize the fuel and ignition table to optimize the factory tune. Combined with intake and exhaust modifications, we can still get very good gains even on a naturally aspirated car. So now we come to the results. This vehicle is equipped with the automatic transmission, which means a little more drivetrain loss. On a manual, we would expect these numbers to be a little bit higher. But the first base run when the car was not tuned was 168 kilowatt to the rear wheels. And after our tuning process, we achieved 183 rear wheel kilowatt. We've achieved this in a linear fashion, and the higher the RPM goes, the bigger the gains are. And we've also increased the RPM limit from 6,600 to 7,200 RPM. We have decided to go for this RPM increase because the car is still producing a lot of power in the upper RPM range, and the power doesn't drop off significantly, which means we can push it these additional 600 RPM to 7,200 RPM, and that will make the car drive more fun overall. We are now able to tune these 350Z, 370Zs, the Duke. We're able to do the G35 and G37, as well as a couple other Nissan models, and we're also able to give you like race features such as launch control, rolling launch control, if your vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission. Thank you, Herman, for choosing Possum Bourne Motorsport to get your 350Z tuned. If you have a similar vehicle in the Nissan range, please get in touch with Possum Bourne Motorsport today. We'd love to see more of these and love to help you increase the performance of your Nissan.